Got another one right there. Here's a suit 2 size 10. This colorway is sick. Should I get it for my pops too? What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Hitting up a bunch of Ross and Marshalls out in Pittsburgh. Let's go. Apparently this is the new one. Let's go. All right, I don't even see an activewear section in men's. Just see a bunch of t-shirts and stuff. And then shorts as well. Not seeing anything fire. Yeah, not really. So you got some Keith Haring clothing. Definitely interesting. Down to $20. I don't really know what Keith Haring goes for. It is a Keith Haring members only collab. 20 bucks, that is a deal. Got a few different collabs. John Michael, is that a collab with members only? I do got a decent size men's sneaker section. I don't know. Let's look in the back over here. Do take all the box tops here off, I guess. Bunch of Hirachis going for 60 bucks. Got these not a Chucks. Been seeing these at a ton of spots. These bad boys going for 30. Dude, got some Adidas Superstars going for 45. Got some Sauconys, or is it Sauconys? Sauconys? I don't know. 20 bucks for those. These are super small though, super duper small. Plenty of those Chucks or not a Chucks or whatever the hell they are. Do got some 860s, which are some, I don't know, budget running shoes. 60 for these bad boys. Of course, I gotta check the slides section because some of y'all finding slides for hella cheap. And then Crocs down to $25 now. We're seeing them as high as 30, which is not even that much below retail. Women's section, just seeing a bunch of dress shoes, not really seeing sneakers. Stop number 2, let's go. They did do a 30-minute countdown and then see Travis Kelce jerseys. Oh my goodness, this is an XL. This is a 3XL. Oh man, am I gonna have to buy both of these for my boy? And this is a medium. Damn, do I have to buy one of these for my boy? Travis Kelce was my MVP for my fantasy football team. My football team sucks other than Kelce. Kelce killed it. But dang, do I have to get this for my boy? Because I need to send him the one I have at home. And I got a Mahomes one. If I get a Mahomes and Kelce, these are normally $150. Get them for $40. All right, I'm gonna put this one back. Could give this to someone else too, but was just about to complain that hey, they don't have any dope Mitchell and Ness basketball jerseys, and then I find the Travis Kelce jerseys. Dude got an Italia jersey. These are normally 90, go for 25. I've seen a bunch of those. Then I do see a Kane jersey. I don't know too much about hockey, but yeah, these are fire, dude. This is an XL, but it is a Blackhawks jersey. Everything's sewn on and stuff like that. You know, these ain't cheap. MSRP normally is, it's unknown because it doesn't have a regular tag, but yeah, everything's sewn on and everything's super nice. Dang, dude. Dang. I don't know too many hockey fans. I don't know any Blackhawk fans. Then do got Pittsburgh apparel. This is just team apparel though, nothing too expensive. $17. If they had like a large, I would grab one, but these are 2XL. That's too huge. And then another Kelce jersey. This is a double XL. So I've got a double XL, triple XL, and a medium. Oh, look. Actually, I went back to the large because I'm like, hey, if I found this in a medium or a double XL, maybe I could find it in a large. All right, so then I'll grab this for one of my boys too. $17. 17 bucks. Oh, and I had to have missed this. Look at this. They got a Derek Carr jersey, $40. This is an on-field one, but it's the one with the press on, man. It's kind of the cheaper one. Active shorts, no Mitchell & Ness, no Nike, nothing. But I have found some dope stuff already, so I can't really complain. Oh man, I'm finding more dope stuff already. Have no clue what size, but dude got Ultra Boost, $25. 25 freaking dollars. Size 9. I've been looking for size 8.5. Might have to just grab them, dude. Might just have to grab them. Too cheap. And then right next door do have another pair of Ultra Boosts. These are an 8.5. That gold's a little gaudy though. I'm not a fan of that gold. I'm throwing this one back. So I'm playing catch and release with that one. I'm playing keeps on this one. Got some Pittsburgh Steelers Pegasus right here, which are fire. $40. That's a size 8. Dude, got some Zoom X runners right here. These are just hella comfy. This is for mid distance though, like yeah, 5K, 10K. So yeah, $70 for those, a little expensive. More Ultra Boosts. How many Ultra Boosts am I gonna find? Holy cow. That green definitely is just interesting. I think these would look better with black laces. But yeah, $25 for these. This does come with black laces, so maybe that would make them fire. Oh, this isn't as breathable though, I think. This is like the kind of like a shield type of material. Does have that rubber on the end. Alright, we're gonna put those. I'm gonna leave those. Donovan Mitchell's $25, a smaller size. Some other Boost shoes, $25. More Ultra Boost, are you serious? I've never seen this many Ultra Boost. $25 for these. These are 7.5. Too much with the colors for me. Got some Under Armour shoes right here. Some hiking shoes, $50. I don't know the name. Kyrie Infinity Team Banks. Why do I have my flash on? Size 10, $55. Then got the blue one right up top. Size 9.5. I believe it's the same price. Yeah, $60 for these. So it's actually more. Got another pair of the red ones. So I got multiple pairs, $55. Oh, this colorway is fire. Oh my god, this colorway is so fire, dude. 10, size 10. Oh my god, I don't need all these sneakers. And they got another one right here. So 2 size 10. This colorway is sick. Should I get it for my pops too? Might get this for my pops. Let me think. And dude got these. We've been seeing these Challenger ATRs for $80. Bigger size of the Steelers. These are size 10.5. All right, I did try these. These are a little big. So the 10, I'm gonna have to keep these. This for my pops. I think they're gonna be too big for him, so I'm gonna put them back. Got a 6.5 here too. Need an 8, 8.5, or a 9.5. All right, these aren't gonna work either because these are gonna be too big. Yeah, they're gonna be too big for the kiddo I'm buying for. He needs an 8.5. And these Ultra Boosts, like I said, they run kind of big. I can give it, you know what? I can give it to him and tell him to just, like, when they fit. Yeah. I'll just get it for him. All right, 2 pair of Ultra Boosts. Did get a hoodie as well as the jersey for $100. $100 freaking dollars. MSRP for everything together, probably close to 500. No, probably like 600. Probably close to 600 MSRP for everything. Wow. All right, 9 a.m. This Burlington just opened. Let's go. Let's go. All right, they literally just opened. Let's go. Feel like I haven't had too much luck at Burlington. Do have a Champion Penn State hoodie. Going for $15. That's not a bad find. Damn you, Baker Mayfield. Damn you. Even out in Pennsylvania, still find a bunch of his stuff. $15 for these. Pittsburgh Steelers t-shirt, kind of low end. NFL apparel, $10. This is kind of dope. Team apparel though, $13. Who's Claypool? Who is that? Is he still with them? I had to look him up. He's not on the team anymore. He's with like the Canadian Football League or something. More NFL team apparel, $20 for these. That just looks a little off. Got some sort of jersey right here. Oh my god, again. Alright, if this video comes out before the Cleveland stuff, yeah, we've seen a lot of Baker Mayfield stuff. Low end ones, Nike ones, more Penn State hoodies. This is a Nike. $70 down to Cleveland Cavaliers hoodie, $17. NFL apparel though. I don't think I've seen one pair of shorts in the state of Pittsburgh. like any Mitchell & Ness. I guess technically this is only the second stop here though. Technically. Checking the men's sneakers, apparently right under the air conditioner. It is so loud. Got a ton of these Steelers Pegasus 39s going for $40. Multiple sizes here. Off-court slides, $15, size 8. This is the Colts. Off-court slides for the Browns go for $15. Should I get these? Should I not? Size 9. Got the Jets representing here as well. Size 11. Going for $15. More Trae Youngs. More of these Vans boots. $43. Ton of these in the smaller sizes. Dude got some size 9 for the off-court size for the Chiefs. And of course, plenty of Mashburns at every Burlington. Some Superstar size 11 down to $40. Okay. Got some Colts Pegasus right here, $40 size 11s. Grant Hill 2s go for $35. Chief size 11. Brown size 11. No 10s though. Another one of them. West Virginia Pegasus and the size 12s. More size 12s. More size 12s. Oh my bad, these are 11.5. 13s. Dude got 12s. Tentacumpos, these are huge. $37. Then dude got some baseball cleats. Size 16s go for $17. Obviously, I don't know the city. Look, Google Maps. Come on, man, you tripping. You took me to a store that's closed, fools. Damn Google Maps. The closed location, that's over there. Apparently, this is the new one. Let's go. And got some snacks. These are so freaking good. I'm telling you, these wafers are amazing. All right, man. Hitting up some more stores. First thing tomorrow. What's up with these eating parks? There's so many of these out here.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Commercial Drive.